Welcome to MH class. Today we'll discuss some questions of exercise 9.3 and NCERT textbook of class 11. Okay? Exercise 9.3 of NCERT textbook class 11. Mainly it is related with the GP. In the last class we discussed about the GP. Okay? In the last class we already discussed the GP. So nth term of GP is, what is the nth term of GP? A r to the power n minus 1. An is equal to A r to the power n minus 1, where A is the first term, R is the common ratio. This is first term, this is common ratio. CR, we can say CR, common ratio, and this is the nth term, and this is the number of terms. Mainly this formula will be used. And Sn, what is Sn? Sum of n terms of an GP, order Sn. Sn is equal to what? There are two formula Sn, that is A into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r if r is less than 1, or A into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. So these are the formula we have to remember. Okay, this will be used to find out. And what is r? What is r? R is nothing but what? An plus 1 by an. That is r. So see the question. What is the first question given? 9.3, find the 20th and nth terms of the GP. Question number 1. 20th term, that is A20, we need to find out A20. And nth terms of the GP, AN is equal to what? These two things we need to find out. Okay. Here it is given the GP is what? 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, dot dot dot. So what is the first term? Here A is equal to 5 by 2. R is equal to 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. So what you can write? 5 by 4 into 2 by 5. That is what? 1 by 2. So R is equal to 5 by 2. And A is equal to 5 by 2 and R is equal to 1 by 2. These are the values. A is equal to 5 by 2, R is equal to 1 by 2. Now A20, therefore A20 is equal to A r to the power 19. A20 is equal to A r to the power 19. A is what? 5 by 2, R is 1 by 2, whole to the power 19. So 1 by 2 whole to the power 19, ultimate is 1 by 2 to the power 19. Okay, or we can write in this way, 5 into 1 by 2 whole to the power 20. This way also you can write, and this is the answer. An, now An is equal to what? A r to the power n minus 1. A is 5 by 2, 1 by 2, n minus 1. So what we can write? 5, 1 by 2 whole to the power n. This is the answer. Okay. This is it. Next question. What is the next question? See, find the 12 terms of a GP if when 8 term is 192 and the common ratio is, what is the common ratio given? The common ratio is 2. We need to find out question number 2. 20th term, the first term is A, common ratio is R. We need to find out 20th term. A20 is equal to what? Oh, not 20, A12. A12 is equal to what? That we need to find out. A12 means what? A r to the 11, so we need to find out A and R. Here A is not given, R is given here, R is equal to 2 and 8 term, that is A8 is equal to 162. This is given like 192, not 62, 192. So A8 means what? A r to the power 7 is 192. A is not given, R is 2. So A into 2 to the power 7 is equal to 192. 2 to the power 7, A into 2 to the 7, how much? 128 is equal to 192. So A is equal to 192 by 128. This is A. Implies A is equal to, if we make it simple form, then it will be 3 by 2. Okay, there is 64, we can divide by 64. 64 3 is a 192, 192 and 64 2 is a 128. So 3 by 2, A is equal to 3 by 2. Now, what do we need to find out? A12. Now A12 is equal to A r to the power 11. Put the values. A is 3 by 2, r to the power 11 is 2 to the power 11. So how will get? 3 into 2 to the power 10. So 3 into 2 to the power 10 is how much? 1024. This value, at least 2 to the power 10, we have to remember ourselves. Then it will be easy to write. Otherwise, it will take time. So if we multiply 3072, this is the answer. Okay. So this we have to do the questions. Next, question number 3. What is given question number 3? So you should have to with the textbook, because I am not writing the questions. Just I follow the textbook and I am solving the problem. If 5th, 8th and 11th terms of GP are P, Q and S respectively, show that Q square is equal to PS. So first term is, let first term is equal to A, common ratio is equal to R. So fifth term A5, according to question, A5 is equal to what? P, that is A r to the power 4 is equal to P. A8 is Q, implies A r to the power 7 is equal to Q, and A11 is equal to S, implies A r to the power 10 is equal to S. Okay. What I need to show? Q square is equal to PS. So left hand side, Q square, Q, what is the value of Q? Q is this one, A r to the power 7. So how to write? A r to the power 7 whole square, that is A square r to the power 14. Right hand side, PS, what is the value of P? P is A r to the power 4 into Q is what? A r to the power r to the power 10. A into A is A square, r to the power 4 into r to the power 10, a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power what? M plus n. Law of indices, a to the power m into a to the power n. This is a to the power m plus n. This law we have to apply. So these base are same, r to the power 4 and r to the power 10. So r base, and we have to add the power. So r to the power 14. So if we see the left hand side and right hand side, they are same. Okay. Hence, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is P square is equal, or Q square is equal to what? PS. Proved. Okay. Question number 4. If the fourth term of GP is square of its second term, fourth term of GP is square of its second term, and the first term is -3. Determine the seventh term. First term is -3. Question number 4. A is equal to -3. Common ratio is R. According to question, fourth term A4 is equal to A2 whole square. Don't write that on A2 whole square means A4. It is not A4. A4 means A r to the power 3, A2 AR whole square. So A r to the power 3 is equal to A square R square. Okay. A is what? -3. So -3 into R cube is equal to -3 whole square into R square. Clear? So R is equal to -3. R is equal to what? R cube and R square, we can divide it, so we will get R is equal to -3. We need to find out seventh term, A7, A r to the power 6. A is what? -3. So -3 into -3 whole to the power 6. So ultimate is -3 whole to the power 7. And if we expand it, -3 whole to the power 7, then what will get? -2187. 2187. 3 to the power 4 is 81. Again 3 to the power 3 is 27. If we multiply these two, we will get 2187. Okay, and the sign is minus, so and power is odd number, so the sign will be negative only. So this way you try once. The last question for today, let's see. Question number 6. Question number 5 you try yourself. Question number 6. What is question number 6? For what values of x the numbers are in GP? -2/7, x -7/2. These are in GP. So what follows? If these are in GP, if these numbers are in GP, therefore, what you can say? The square of the middle one, x square, is equal to product of the extreme -2/7 into -7/2. So directly we can write the answer. This is a 1 mark question. X square minus plus 7 and 2 cancel 1. So x is equal to what? Plus minus 1. So this is the answer. Okay. Question number 7. Find the sum of indicated numbers of terms in each of the following geometric progression. Sum, we need to find out sum. The geometric progression is what? 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015 up to 20 terms. We need to find out S20. So here A is equal to 0.15. Here R is equal to 0.015 divided by 0.15, that is nothing but what? 1/10. 1/10, which is less than 1, or you can say 0.1. N is equal to 20. So S20. As n is less than r is less than 1, so formula, which formula? Sn is equal to what? A into 1 minus r to the 1 by 1 minus r. This formula we have to apply. Okay, so S20, A is 0.15 into 1 minus r to the power, r is what, 0.1 whole to the power n means 20 divided by 1 minus 0.1. Okay. So if we simplify this, 0.15 into 1 minus 0.1 whole to the power 20, keep it as usual, and this will be 0.9, and this decimal point we can remove. So 90, 15, so 1 by 6. So what I can write? 1 by 6, 1 minus 0.1 whole to the power 20. This is the answer. So this we have to solve. Okay. I hope all of you understand. If any doubt, let me know. I'll try to my best to clear your doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.